Zero privacy, zero security, zero sense of any kind of trust. And of course, many of those, unfortunately, those agents are able to take advantage of people who don't understand that at a deep level. One of the reasons we believe that trust is in fact important is looking at some of the economic literature, looking at examples from the marketplace. Authentic trust, if it's something that is, again, embedded into the core of an entity and well understood by the audience of customers or patrons it's serving, actually can build successful relationships. We're trying to prove that as the hard case, but nonprofits can take it on, civic institutions can take it on. And so in the world of AI agents in particular, this kind of trust dynamic, we don't see any of that today. In fact, we see much of the reverse of that in situations like OpenClaw, et cetera. Zero privacy, zero security, zero sense of any kind of trust. And of course, many of those, unfortunately, those agents are able to take advantage of people who don't understand that at a deep level. The trust feedback loop as a market differentiator, one of the things we're finding, if you look again at different market segments where the notion of trust that is, for example, used in certifications or trust marks, where the brand is identified in a certain way with a certain category, people will respond favorably. Consumers will spend something like 3 to 4 times more money in that situation on that particular approach, that kind of a branding around trust, than they would in a situation where it's not visible. So we believe that's the kind of thing we need to build on and make apparent to folks in the marketplace. This comes from the common law as applied to the web: duty of care, duty of fidelity, duty of loyalty. But the idea is you're taking these basic elements of common law, putting it into the infrastructure of your organization, and then you're applying it in various ways on the web.